House door lock change. The trick to this is to make sure the locking mechanism inside the door is all lined up. That's what you see here. So the first thing you need to do is remove this gold screw here. When you actually take the lock mechanism out, make sure the key is in, and when you're pulling out the lock, you may need to twist the key a bit backwards and forwards just to get it out. With the new lock, make sure the key's in and everything's lined up as before, and you can put it back into the door. Put the new screw in, and you're done. Just make sure everything works.